Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how to make a low-carb shrimp cocktail.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
Check this out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com.
I am Mikey from recipes@crock.com.
And I am super excited because Mikey has cracked the code.
I'm getting a lot of flack for this recipe right now.
Yes, because here's the deal. I have been eating low carb for a long time, and
I have not. I tried.
It took all of one day of him being committed to eating low carb for him to figure out something that I have wanted to figure out for a really long time. We like to eat cold shrimp around here.
Shrimp cocktail is good.
And shrimp is totally low carb friendly, but cocktail sauce is a whole nother ball game.
It's like, depending on what brand you get, sometimes there's like 18 grams of sugar in a serving.
It's like crazy. So I just have kind of been like, okay, I'll eat the shrimp, but I won't have the cocktail sauce. He literally, the day that he kind of committed to getting back on track, he comes home.
I fixed it.
He wants shrimp. And he comes out with cocktail sauce, and I'm like, no.
And I was like, yes.
And he's like, I made it myself. And I'm like, oh, you have got to tell people.
She told me to preach it to the world. She's like, we're going to shut down the crock pot site. We're going to tell people about shrimp cocktail.
So today we are not crocking, but we are definitely sharing.
We're cocktailing.
We are sharing a yummy recipe. This is also a really affordable way, even if you aren't eating low carb. You could use sugar and make it with sugar if you want to like make your own cocktail sauce with stuff that you might already have.
So instead of buying cocktail sauce at the store, you could totally make it on your own at your house.
Whenever you want it.
All you need to have is horseradish, and horseradish is cheap.
Well, and you can and it would make a whole lot of cocktail sauces.
Unless you're going to make St. Elmo's version. And if anybody knows about St. Elmo's down in Indianapolis, it's a well-known steakhouse that is very famous for their shrimp cocktails. When I was working on the railroad, one of my bosses was having a lunch there. And he came back, and as a reward for, I guess, me doing a good job, he comes back with a giant tub of St. Elmo's shrimp cocktail. And he asked me, he goes, do you like shrimp cocktail? I'm like, man, I love shrimp cocktail. I'd never had St. Elmo's, and I took a bite, and my face caught on fire. So depending on how hot you want it, it's how much horseradish you use.
I am a spiciness like wimp, so don't worry. This cocktail sauce can also be made very mild, and we're showing you the mild version.
We're just giving you the mild version.
Yep.
If you want to cure the common cold, you do the St. Elmo's version. But what we're going to need for this recipe is low sugar ketchup. This low sugar ketchup has 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons, or as we call it around here, a quarter cup. So there's 4. So let's do the math here. 4 carbs right here. And I've got my little handy dandy.
And this recipe is going to serve 2 people.
You notice, I'm noticing now, I just hit 42 a couple days ago. I don't just do this when I want to read, I got to go down here. So we got a quarter cup right about there. And now we want 1 tablespoon of a sweetener. Now we are using a low carb, or 0 carb, I'm actually 0 carb, 0 calorie sweetener, but we're not just using the sugar substitute, we're using the powdered sugar substitute.
This helps, like a lot of sugar substitutes don't melt away the same way sugar does. So, or not as easily. So we like to use the powdered sugar version because when you stir this, it's more fine. It doesn't stay gritty.
Right, and so, it melts right into that ketchup. And then for our recipe, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of horseradish, and this is going to give you the same flavor pretty much as a store-bought cocktail sauce like Heinz or anybody like that. This is the way.
Now, horseradish, depending on your brand, also has carbs in it. It has 1 carb per teaspoon, so that just added 3 more carbs.
So now we're up to 7.
Yes. Oh, Lordy. You're crazy. And that's it. That's all you need. If you
that was a lot hotter than I thought it was going to be.
If you guys are looking for sugar substitutes, you can find these in our Amazon influencer shop.
Yes.
This is the sucring icy version. It's the powdered sugar. There's also, I think you can probably find in store the Swerve powdered sugar version if you just want to get it in the store, and that's the same kind of thing. It's the, I can never say the word.
Erythritol.
That word. That's
I had to Google the way Google says it to know how to say it. So
okay.
Test it.
There we go. That's it. Oh, jeez.
7 carbs right here. Now shrimp.
Now, and we're
also
gonna
has carbs
split
in it.
this.
Yes.
If he'll let me.
This is for 2 whenever Cris is home. But I'm gonna take my shrimpies and put them on there. I'm gonna make them all pretty for y'all. Now there's supposed to be 8 shrimp on here to make 2 servings of this. So
and these are the colossal shrimp.
Yeah, what were the carbs? The carb count in the shrimp?
It's 2 carbs per 4 shrimp. So if you like divide everything out, this whole like nice little treat is less than 5 net carbs.
No, it's 5.5 carbs.
Oh, no.
4.5 carbs.
Yeah. Yes.
My math was off. Yeah, 4.5 carbs for a serving. Here, I'm gonna come up here.
For a serving.
Yeah.
Or 9 for the whole thing.
So, we're more than likely going to share this.
If he gets back here.
But look at that. It's just, check this out. Dip that down in the bowl, and you get shrimp cocktail like you would find in a store for less carbs.
Way less
more
carbs.
happy. Now, something else that we argue about is the size of the shrimp. I firmly am a strong believer with cocktails, you need the bigger shrimp. So we're using the colossals. I would get prawns. I don't care. I'm a huge shrimp lover. That tastes literally just like the cocktail sauce you get in the store.
I so miss this. I've missed this for a very long time.
Like that to me does not taste like
and I'm like
a sugar substitute. They just taste like cocktail sauce.
Dude, you like were low carb for one day and you figured something like this out? Like we could like figure all kinds of stuff out.
You just wait.
But if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe down below and become a member of our slow cooking family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video,
click the ding-a-ling, that little bell.
But whatever you do, we hope you
laugh often,
eat good food,
and speak life.
Bye guys.
I've had my share.
Have you ate all yours?
Is that good?
Now I'm gonna have to hide them from him.
Me and my shadow.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the page